I'm Zach Toronto, and I'm here with Daniel Dunlap from the Center for Meteorite Studies at Arizona State University. This is home of the largest university-based meteorite collection in the world.
And you may remember us from a recent photo shoot we did in the lab where we were imitating these guys dressed in our lab suits. So we're up here today with the real team to talk about some meteorites.
Yep, so these curlers are a little more accomplished than we were in the lab, so we wanted to get their expertise. And we actually brought a meteorite here that is the same weight as a curling stone. So Matt, if you want to go ahead and pick that up.
All right. Oh, jeez. That's heavy. That is about the weight of a curling rock.
Yep.
So why is that thing so heavy? It doesn't look as big as a curling rock.
So this meteorite here is made out of iron metal, and so this type of meteorite formed in the core of some type of small planet in the early solar system. So on Earth, the reason that you have these types of curling stones is because a lot of the lighter silicate material has risen up to the crust, and that's how you end up with this type of lithology that make your curling stones, whereas this is all the dense material that's segregated to the core.
Yeah, and this one's actually particularly interesting because this is part of the meteorite that impacted and formed Meteor Crater up in Arizona.
Oh, cool.
So do we know like where this thing came from exactly?
So is there like what planet would this have came from?
Well, this one, like Daniel said, probably came from early.
We don't know in particular for this one,
Yeah,
but we do have an example.
We have a
of one
surprise
that,
for you here
yeah.
in my pocket. So here we actually have, yeah, set that one down. Here we actually have a Martian meteorite. So this is actually a piece of Mars. If you ever wanted to hold Mars in your hand,
Dude.
now's your chance.
What?
The red planet is awfully dark.
How do we know this is from Mars? Like, how do you seriously know this is from Mars?
Well, there are certain geochemical characteristics of these meteorites that kind of rule out it being from Earth. And then since we've had missions to the planet Mars, we're really able to characterize that planet, its atmosphere, its surface really well. And that's what helps us understand.
Thought Mars would be heavier.
Yeah.
Well, so this lithology is not too different from what you all use on your curling stones. So.
Yeah, so we actually have a little bit of a surprise for you here. We have 3 other meteorites, and all the meteorites have their official names, but we've gone and given these some nicknames. So this one we've nicknamed Matt Hamilton because of its distinctive mustache feature here.
You can see it.
Yeah, so it's right
And it
there.
landed that
Good
way.
for the
That's
camera. I don't know if you want to get a
Unbelievable.
little side-by-side view there.
And it landed this way. It's incredible.
Oh yeah, that is how it landed.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm just going to hold on to him for now.
Yeah, absolutely.
So John, we've got this one here for you. The reason being that this meteorite actually has a diamond in it. And so this diamond formed under extreme pressure, and so we thought that this would be appropriate for you since the kind of
that's
pressure
so
that you
cute.
faced.
Oh wow, look
Getting
at
your
that.
team to Olympic gold.
And you're
Crazy.
a diamond.
You're a diamond. That's what we're saying.
Oh,
Jeez, these are ridiculously
Yeah,
heavy.
that's another metal one.
Then for Joe Polo, we have this. It's an ordinary chondrite, and we got this one for you because it's not the shiniest. It's not on TV all the time, but it really is what holds the whole team together behind the scenes and makes things go. So that one's for you.
cool. Yeah. Sweet.
You guys want
This.
We have meteorites.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gosh.
This is like blowing my mind.
I know.
I like understand.
It's like, wait a second. So this is from outer space.
Here. This isn't from outer space, but these are the closest things we have to meteorites.
Yeah.
Here.
That's pretty sweet. Can I put it on?
Put it on.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Holy crap.
Wow. That's cool.
Do we have one for him?
Yes.
We'll take turns.
No, wait, we got more,
we
dude.
got more, we got more.
They give you more than one medal, dude.
Do they?
We have 5 players on our
Back
team.
up.
Holy shit.
Cool. It's heavy.
Oh, that's awesome.
We just did the medal
Just like
exchange.
Put a string on this.
Yeah.
How much is this thing?
Maybe a little group pose. Not bad.
It's not near this thing is. Yeah. All right.
Awesome.
Get here tight, Joey.
Bring it in.
Yep.